Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are upgrading our ASUS laptop, the ASUS X571GT-AL5870 model. To those who don't know, this is a Vivobook gaming laptop running with i5-9300H, GTX 1650, 4GB onboard RAM, but we have upgraded or added an 8GB of RAM to this model, so we have a total of 12GB of RAM. We purchased this laptop solely for video editing. For more than a year, it works great even for gaming. But I'm still bothered with the 12GB of RAM, and as per checking on ASUS website, it is mentioned that the RAM is up to 16GB. So I was hesitant of buying a single stick of 16GB of RAM because I'm not sure if it will work or I'll just waste my money. But for today, we are going to spend some cash to test it and let you know if you can do it on your unit as well. For the sake of improvement, let us try to test Adobe Premiere Pro, try to add a raw 4K video, and just drag the mouse on the timeline to show you what happens. As you have seen, when we drag the mouse, it is not that smooth, but it works. It gets worse when I have so much video on one project, but let us check what will happen later on after we added or changed the 8GB of RAM to 16GB of RAM. Now, let me show you on how to replace the RAM on this ASUS laptop. Before you replace any parts, always remember to remove the battery first. And we are done. Let us try to power it on, and sheesh, it powered on. Honestly, I was really afraid that I might break my laptop. And now let us try to check or open Speci to check the total number of RAM. And it shows 20GB. And of course, let us open Task Manager as well to check the total RAM. It is true, we now have a total of 20GB of RAM. And let us try to check if we have an improvement with our Adobe Premiere. there you have it. There was an actual improvement. It might not be that super smooth, but it is way better compared to the first one. I'm not sure if adding a single stick of 32 GB of RAM will improve, but currently I'm happy with the upgrade, and in addition, I don't have extra money to get that single 32 GB of RAM stick. And I'm not sure if the laptop will accept that as well, but the RAM size for the i5-9300H, it can handle 128 GB of RAM. And if you want me to test that one, just comment down below and let us try to check if we can afford one. And guys, this is just for my experience, but if you're using or adding more RAM to other application, it might work because I'm just using Adobe Premiere on this unit and just playing games. But for the Adobe Premiere, it improves a lot. Guys, just a reminder before you get or buy a RAM on your favorite stores, remember that if your laptop is still under warranty and you will be the one replacing the RAM, the warranty might or will be voided. So make sure with your official ASUS store if you can replace the RAM without voiding the warranty. And in addition, I'm not 100% sure if this upgrade is applicable to other ASUS models, but for the X571GT, it actually works. And guys, for the disclaimer, ASUS website mentioned up to 16 GB of RAM, but I'm not sure if there are actually some downside regarding to that one. But I believe there will be instances that unstable on your application and everything. But for me, it works great and I don't have any issue right now. But if there is an issue, I'll just let you know and replace or put back the original 8 GB of RAM that I have purchased on the ASUS official stores. And I think that is all, guys. I hope you liked the video and you learned something from it. If you have comment suggestion, comment down below or message me at JK Chavez on FB. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe and bye!